Meanwhile, in Montgomery County, people who live there or even visit there will now have to deal with stricter gun laws. Today, the Montgomery County Council voted to approve a ban on firearms in certain public places. DC News Now reporter Cheyenne Corinne covers Montgomery County and heard from people on both sides of the gun debate.
Let the record show that bill passes unanimously.
And just like that, Bill 2122 passed with a vote of 8-0. This bill bans guns within 100 yards of public spaces, such as parks, schools, and churches. Several council members wore the colors of the University of Virginia and said recent mass shootings are the reason this bill is necessary.
And there are countless numbers of incidences here locally and regionally and nationally that are continue to underscore the importance of the notion that more guns is not the answer.
The bill will also remove the exemption for those with wear and carry permits, but does not include police officers and security guards licensed to carry. Opponents of this legislation say it's a violation of their constitutional rights and penalizes law-abiding citizens.
Those people have been background investigated to the ends of the earth. They're not the ones committing the problems. They're not committing crimes. So the idea that they're going to prevent violence, gun violence, by these individuals who have carry permits is simply ludicrous.
This bill is in response to the Supreme Court's ruling in June that struck down certain limitations on concealed carry permits.
The decision that was made by the Supreme Court earlier this year and then unilaterally adopted without any coordination with local jurisdictions by our governor is a step backward.
Gun rights advocate Mark Pinnock is also a constitutional lawyer and says his group will challenge this new ban in court.
The bill as enacted basically becomes effective on the day of enactment. There's no waiting period, and that's normal laws, however. So this will go into effect very rapidly, and we'll be moving in court equally rapidly.
Now, the council also says that they do anticipate that the General Assembly will pass similar legislation statewide. Now, next, this bill is headed to County Executive Mark Elridge's desk, and his office tells me that he does plan to sign off on it. Reporting in Montgomery County, Maryland, I'm Cheyenne Corinne for DC News Now.